Exercise 1.2, question number 9. Let f is from n to n, defined by this f of n equal to, it is f of n. F of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. You have to check whether this function is, whether f is a bijective function. And justify your answer. What do you mean by bijective function? A function which is 1, 1
Both
and
1, 1
on.
and on.
Okay, correct. If it is 1, 1 and on 2. So we don't know whether it is 1, 1 or on 2 because your question is only check whether f is 1, 1 or on 2. If the question is prove that f is 1, 1 and on 2, then it is easy that you can assume with. Suppose if you want to prove f is 1, 1, what is the technique? Your technique is assuming let f of a equal to f of b, and then you have to prove that a equal to b. And for on 2, what you have to prove is for every element of the codomain, there should exist an element in the domain such that f of x equal to y. So this is a procedure, normal procedure when you are asked to prove that the function is 1, 1 and on 2. But here the question is not one to prove that, but it's a question is to check whether f is 1, 1 or on 2. Check whether f is 1, 1 or on 2. That is bijective means 1, 1 and on 2. Now for that you just look at with some examples and see if it is 1, 1 and on 2 you feel, then you have to go for the general proof. So here the function is what? F of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 and n by 2. And what is the domain of this function? Domain of the function is the natural number, and codomain is also the natural number. Suppose if in a rough sketch if you do, this domain is natural number, codomain is also natural number. Let us take some elements of the domain of the function. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. it goes. And let us try to find out some of the images. What will be the image of 1? How to find the image of 1? You have to put it in this f of n denotes the image of n. So f of 1 means you will be selecting one of these function values. So which are the function values we have here? One is n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. If n is an odd number, this n is coming from the domain. If n is an odd number, then how to find its image? It is n plus 1 by 2. So here we have some of the elements from the domain of the function, all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5. How to find the image of odd number is, if n is an odd number, its image is n plus 1 by 2. So on applying this, you will get what is f of 1. It will be 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, it is 1. So here the image of 1 is 1. Then you just see what is the image of 3. F of 3 equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. 3 का image इधर हमको मिल जाएगा 2. Now, leave it. Now you go to the even numbers. What will be the image of n if n is an even number? It is only n by 2. So we will have now f of n equal to n by 2 if n is even. If n is even. So there are some even numbers here. 2. What is the image of 2? You will put here f of 2 equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. That means what? The image of 2 is 1. So what we get? This here itself we get that the function. What type of function? First category पर 1 1 many 1 में कौन सा होगा?
Many one function.
It will be a many one function because many elements of the domain are mapped to the same element 1. So that means you are getting that the function is not 1 1. When the function is not 1 1, it is definitely not bijective because bijective के लिए both the conditions should be satisfied. If at least one of the condition 1 1 or onto is not satisfied, we do say that but it is not a bijective function. So this is enough that how will you write that it is not 1 1? You have to take the two different elements of the domain, one not equal to 2, but f of 1 and f of 2 are same as equal to 1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Therefore, f is not bijective. So it is some of the operations on functions. Even last year it was deleted, but I tell you children, suppose f and g are two functions. F plus g is another function which is defined by f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x. This is one of the operations. Another operation is minus. So when you put minus, what will be that? Always a function is explained in terms of its images, that you always remember. So f and g are the name of the function, but it is always defined in terms of its images. So now f minus g is defined in terms of its images as f of x, f minus g of x equal to f of x minus g of x. Both I have included. Then third one is f into gx. That is also defined like f of x into g of x. Mind that this into is your real number multiplication. Real number multiplication. Because we know that we are considering only the real valued function. So this into means it is real number multiplication. So these three operations, it was there in class 11. The next one is the fourth operation, that is composition of f and g, where f and g are the functions. Please, function is f, which is defined from a to b, and the second function is defined from b to c. So first of all, to define the composition of function, this is a condition that f is defined from a to b and g is defined from the set b to c. You can notice that there is a common set which is the codomain of f as well as the domain of g. What is the domain of f? After this, we are going to define a new function which is known as composition of g and f, which you denote with this symbol g. The small o you have to write. It is, we call it as g composition f. How to write is a small dot. G composition f is defined from A to B. So A to C. It is defined from A to C. The first part of the composition is, I have explained the composition G dot F. This composition of function is defined from A to C. Okay, that is the first part. And always you remember that from word to word F and G are defined. ये picture अच्छे से मन में होना है. F is defined from A to B and G is defined from B to C. Then G dot F is defined from A to C. The first part of the introduction of the function is over. The second part is what will be the image of any element from the domain of G dot F to the codomain of C. Now you have to find out the image. Now you just see that the domain of G dot F is A. This is your A. And the codomain of G dot F is your C. So while you talk about the images, you will be taking one element from here. Suppose this is X. Now you have to tell me what can be the image of X under the function G dot F. Before that, you just go to the function F and G. F is a function from A to B, so definitely X will have an image here. Okay, this is the image of X under the function F, and we call this as image of X under the function F is named as F of X. So we can call that image as F of X. Now G is a function from B to C. When G is a function from B to C, that means every element of B should have a unique image. So definitely this element also has an image here. And this image is actually derived from word to word. You just see, it has actually started from X. From X, it has landed up to F of X. And from F of X, it has landed up to here. This is actually, suppose this is named as Y. This can also be named as Y. You can say that this is nothing but G of Y. And G of Y is nothing but G of the image of F of X. So we can also write it as G of F of X. And now you define this function G dot F with the image like this. It is the image of X under G dot F will land up here. It will be G of F of X. So it is defined by G dot F of X. A function is fully defined only if we do say the image of X under the function G dot F. So that is equal to G of F of X. So right now composition F is defined from set 2, 3, 4, 5 to set 3, 4, 5, 9, and G is defined from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. And the functions are defined as F of 2 equal to 3, F of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5, and g of 3 equal to g of 4 equal to 7, and g of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Find g dot f. Write down. How to find g dot f? First of all, you have to know from word to word g dot f is defined. So this picture is very important. G dot f, ये जो second में जो लिखा है वही इधर first में आता है g dot f. So what you have to write now for finding out g dot f? इधर हमारा g होना चाहिए, इधर हमारा f होना है. Then g dot f is defined like this. So now you can just imagine the three sets. The first one is f is defined from word to word. We can see it is defined from 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the elements now. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So 3, 4, 5, 9. And the second G is from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15. So here itself you can draw the figure and tell. See, G dot F is defined from word to word. Because your question is find G dot F. Find G dot F means for any function there are two parts. One is you have to say G dot F is defined from word to word, and another part you will write the images. So first of all, from word to word G dot F is defined. It is defined from, which is a domain of G dot F. Benny, can you give me the answer? What is the domain of G dot F? No answer. So G dot F is defined from the set 2, 3, 4, 5 to the codomain is the last set, that is 7, 11, 15. So G dot F is defined from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7, 11, 15. And now the second part means what you have to say. The second part of any function is you are talking about the images. So images means first of all you have to find the image of 2. So that is G dot F of 2. Then you have to find G dot F of 3 because every element of the domain will have an image, unique image in the codomain. So G dot F of 3 is the second element. Similarly, G dot F of 4 also you have to find out, and G dot F of 5 also you have to find out. Now you will come to the definition of composition of function. G dot F, composition of G and F, we can also call it as G dot F or G O F. This is all how to pronounce. So now G dot F is defined as G of F of 2. This is by definition. Now how to find its value? First of all, you will replace what is f of 2. So that means you will get now what? It is g of What is f of 2? You have to come to the question here. F of 2 is 3. Or you can, if for your convenience, you can draw the figure here also in this. 2 का image होगा 3. And f of 3 is 4. 3 का image होगा 4. F of 4 and 5 are 5. F of 4 is 5. F of 5 is also 5. And this also you can do like that. G of 3, G of 4 are 7. G of 4 is 7. G of 3 is also 7. Then G of 5 is 11. G of 5 is 11. G of 9 is also 11. So ये figure भी कर सकता है and you can जल्दी जल्दी देख सकता है. So f of 2 means you have to here, you have to come. F of 2 is now 3. F of 2 is 3. Next, you have to find out what? G of 3. G of 3, you will come to the second one. G of 3 means this is G of 3, that is 7. So you got the answer. Now similarly, G dot F of 3, it is by definition, it is G of F of 3. Now you will write what is F of 3. F of 3 क्या आएगा? It is G को हम कुछ नहीं करेगा. G of F of 3. F of 3 is 3 का इमेज ये है 3 and this is a function going under F. F of 3 is 4. F of 3 is 4. Got it? Now G of 4. G of 4 means it is going here. Okay. Second function G of 4 is 7. So the final answer you are getting is 7. F of 3 means the first one you have to consider. Here comes your F and here comes your G. So similarly, you find out the other two images of the function, the elements 4 and 5. All of you write the answers for G dot F of 4 and G dot F of 5. So write the definition first. G of F of 4 and the interior function's value you have to substitute first. The interior is F of 4. Inside वाला. So F of 4 का value पहले लिखेगा तो हमको मिल जाएगा G of F of 4. The first function F of 4 का image, that is 5. So you are writing here 5. Next, you have to write G of 5. G of 5 means you have to look at the second function. G of 5, either 5 ka image, that is 11. Similarly, G of F of 5 also. G of F of 5, which is equal to G of F of 5 is also 5. And G of 5 is again 11. So this is answer 4. 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. Find G dot F. Find G dot F. So for that, just like this, you have to now write g dot f. When you are asked to write a function, it will have two parts. First of all, you have to say it from word to word. F is from f. This figure you have to remember. F here, G here, then G dot F is like this. G dot F is different. So F is from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. G is from 1 to 5 to 1 to 1, 3. Then G dot F is defined from word to word. G dot F is defined from the first set. It is set 1, 3, 4 to set 1, 3. Now the second part is you have to say the images. So for finding out the images, let us start with every element of the domain of G dot F. What is the domain of G dot F? Domain of G dot F. Nandita.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, and
1,
no, 1, 3, and 4.
1, 3, and 4. That's the domain. So every element.
Ma'am?
Okay, thank you, Nandita.
Yes, ma'am. That's a domain of.
Domain is 1, 3, 4, and G dot F is a function. So every element of G domain will have the image. That means you have to find out the image of 1, then image of 3, and image of 4 under the function G dot F. Now you have to go to basic definition of composition. When you are breaking this composition, it will come like G of F of 1. And now F of 1's value, the interior function's value, will write first. So that becomes, you have to look at what is F of 1. F of 1 means it's the image of 1. Now you notice here the function f. F of 1 means what is the image of 1? Image of 1 is 2. The second element of each ordered pair is the image of first element of that ordered pair. So the image of 1 is 2, or f of 1 is 2. What is f of 3? From this set, no need of going for this arrow diagram because we have already given one function here. You have to look at here and to find out all the images. F of 1 is 2. What is f of 3? F of 3 is f of 1. F of 1 is, this g of f of 1 is 2. So g of 2. Now g of 2, the meaning is the image of 2 under the function g. So now you have to come to the function g. This is your function g. The image of 2 will be, I hope all of you understood, the image of 2 will be 3. The image of 1 will be also 3. The image of 5 will be 1. So now at present you have to write what is the image of 2. Image of 2 you will get from here, it is 3. I hope it is just like a game, only it's very easy to find out. G of f of 3. G of f of 3. Then G of, first of all, you have to write what is f of 3. F of 3 will be the image of 3 under the function f. So we can see here the image of 3 is here 5. The next part is to write what is the image of 5 under the function g. So you have to come back to the function g and now you find what is the image of 5 under the function g. It is 1. 1 only, na? Yeah, 1. So the final answer is 1. Now the last one, all of you do yourself. G dot F of 4.
Maybe 3, ma'am.
G of F of 4 is, let us
3.
see what is, yes, this is correct. So G of F of 4. First of all, you will take the interior one's value, that is F of 4. F of 4 means 4K image. You will get 4K image as 1. 4K image 1, and now it has become G of 1. Now G of 1 means image of 1 under G. It is equal to 3. So this is answer. And that's all for today's class. Already 40 minutes. So next tomorrow I will take 12 o'clock. Please log in correct time or 5 minutes before 12 o'clock. Now many children are absent. I'm going to call one by one. Why these children are absent? After I take this, you can leave the classroom.